Hello guys, so today we have this new Osmo Action 4. Yeah, sobrang puti. Okay, so we have this new Osmo Action 4 and this is the Adventure Combo. So we received already the demo unit guys. We will try, test, and first we will unbox this new Osmo Action 4 Adventure Combo. So let's go. So this is the DJI Osmo Action 4 with adventure combo. So let's do the unbox. But again, before anything else, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so at least you'll be updated for all the videos that we will upload regarding photo and video gears and also tutorial for photography. So without further ado, let's start unbox now this DJI Osmo Action for Adventure Combo. So yeah. So it's a typical DJI box. It's a long box, yeah, but slimmer compared for the Osmo Action. You have the application here. It's a DJI. I think this is a DJI Mimo. It's similar with DJI Mimo. So let's try to scan. Okay. So let's see what's the application. I believe this DJI Mimo. Yes, it's a DJI Mimo. So you need to connect to your DJI Mimo. If you have already your DJI Mimo for your previous DJI um, DJI cameras or DJI drones, then or stabilizer. So yeah. So again, let's start now to unbox. Again, what's inside the box? In the box, you have the Osmo Action camera. Um, extreme battery X3 or 3 pieces battery, I think. Battery case, 1.5 extension rod, locking screw, protective frame, curved adhesive base, adapter mount mint, and Type C cable. Yeah. So let's start now to unbox this new Osmo Action 4. Okay. Mhm. Yeah. So you have two box Osmo Action camera sitting here and the accessories. So let's go first with the accessories. Osmo Action, better to remove all. And wow, I like the and no more. So I like the stick. So if we have time now, we will try to use the camera for vlogging. So yeah, this is the stick. Okay. So let's go for the accessories. USB-C to USB-C. So this is the mounting, the case, charging case. I believe this is the charging case, the charging base. Yeah, let's check the charging base. Oh, you have three batteries. That was X3. You have three extra, three battery, not extra. It's okay. This is the first accessories. Next, we have the main camera, action camera. Mm, okay, so this is the camera and this is the frame. Yeah, you have your camera and you have the frame. So let's start to check the frame and some accessories, screws and everything. And this is the Osmo Action camera. Wow, it's amazing. Like it's too wide. So um, the specs I'll put in the description and also in the screen the description about this camera. So let's try to use this and let's try to vlog using this Osmo Action camera. Now this is the Osmo Action 4. Yeah, and the screen. Okay, so you have your settings here, video, play section. Okay, change the we will use okay, uh-huh. Let's try to use the 4K. 4K 16 by 19. Yeah, 4K 25p. Even you can go up to 120p. Wow. So let's go with the 24p, 4K 24 bitrate, frame rate for vlogging. Then let's try to vlog. And guys, so this is the Osmo Action 4. Yeah, using the stick. I don't know, it will be invisible stick, but I saw in the review that this is invisible. But yeah, let's try to use with the original stick of this Osmo Action 4. I don't know if it's invisible. Let's see. Let's connect to the DJI Mimo app. So, and again, this is the quality 4K 24p of the new DJI Osmo Action 4. Also, we will try to use the 4K 120p. And yeah, this is a quick review and test with this new DJI Osmo Action 4. So this is the Action 4, guys. So we tried already the slow motion, full HD 240 frames, and yeah, the quality of the video, I like the quality of the video, guys. But the audio, still we didn't check the sound. But again, this is the sound of the Osmo Action 4 with a built-in microphone. So yeah, again, this is 18 meters already without the housing or any housing, underwater housing. So, and guys, I think that's it for today for the first test and impression of this new DJI Action 4. So on the next vlog, we will try to explore more about this new DJI Action 4. So,
1, 2.
okay. So again, guys, yeah, we tried and tested already this new Osmo Action 4 for the first time. So I like the quality, guys, of the video. And again, this is already 18 meters without the housing or diving housing. So and I like this, the slow-mo, the color, the quality of the video. I like, guys. So yan, I think Harvey want to buy this. And si Harvey, check nyo si Harvey, bibili daw siya sa asawa ni Harvey. Bantayan mo to, bibili siya nito for sure. So again, guys, if you want to check the price and availability of this product, you can visit in our website www.abworld.com. All the DJI products, yan, DJI namin, it's already in our website. Also, this new Osmo Action 4 is already in our website for, I think, pre-order, no? Still pre-order, yeah. If you want to check the DJI Osmo Action 4, come visit us here in Megastore showroom for the demo. We have the demo unit. So, ayan. Hanggang dito na lang guys. Thank you and mabuhay.